Or the caterpillar?
Okay, good.
Run the tire.
Clocks. Most of them are 4 clocks, 2 per cylinder. That's 4 clocks. So if you look down the line here, you can see variety of numbers. This is a 1250 exclusive. This is a 1200. Okay. This one is a 1250. They come in various color combination, color codes. You can see this one, for example. These are aftermarket boxes. You can see the boxes. They write on it GS Adventure, Let's Go. You know, these are grip protectors for wind deflection and also basically cold and what have you, protects against wind, training and cold. What have you. Now this particular bike too has a camera you can see. These are shields. These shields they are removable and they are flexible. They go up and down. They are to protect the headlights of these bikes. These headlights are very sensitive and they are very expensive. I don't know the price, but something like this, maybe 150,000 naira or so, just for the glass itself, the headlights. So if you look at most of them, 90%, 80% of them have these protectors because they are very sensitive. So this one too, 1200. This is a 1200. This is a 2021 GS Adventure HP. HP stands for high performance. That's like the ultimate fast bike of the GS model, the Adventure model. Now this I want to show you something very interesting. These two bikes are the same BMW GS, right? Now the difference between this one I'm pointing to and this one, this is the Adventure, then this is the normal GS. The difference is the tank capacity. That's the fuel capacity. If you check, please come in closer here. You see the size here, right? And here. This is extra foil storage. These two parts here, this one and this one, extra foil storage. Now compared to this one, you see it's a bit smaller. So that's the difference also between the Adventure and the standard GS. This one is a 2012 BMW GS Adventure. This is actually my own bike. So you can see here, you can see the tank capacity difference. This one here, you see. And the tanks are made of ABS plastic. They are not metal. ABS. Okay, the tanks are here, just like a normal bike in the center. So these are extra storage for them. And that's about it.
Which bike is that?
Why are you talking like this now? Happy birthday, Richie. Man, I bring Coco and go on now. Happy birthday, Richie. Man, I bring Coco on. Yes, oh. Happy birthday. Why you going to have me do this matter now? Why you going to have me do this matter? Thank you. Happy birthday, man.
Man, what a trip. And I'm carrying this cameraman behind me all the way. All right, see you guys.
I'm telling you guys.
Maybe now. Let's if you do that with it for this.
No, we know the plan here. This can show you which way you go. You must pass. Toby, show us with your bike.
But I don't have a problem laying it down because of the way the bike is designed. The guards are supposed to hold it up, and the lightest person here can pick up this bike easily if you use the right set of skills. So to pick up, if you're picking up from that side, the bike is laying on that side, ensure that your foot stand is out so that when you pick it up, the bike will stay. And then you come this way, make sure your steering is locked. 2 ways to pick up. Me, I'm strong, so I can pick up from here.
You
From
bend
here.
your knees.
There you go.
Or use a winch.
That's
A winch.
one.
That's one. The second way is to pick up. Like
Let's
this.
see that
Can
done.
we tip it? And let's tip your bag so that you can.
No, that's it on my bike. No, seriously.
Or we can use a winch.
Okay.
Just tip it.
Or a caterpillar.
Okay, good. So, can I take this one?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So, as my... Are we rolling?
Yeah, we're rolling.
as we-
Action!
As my
Paparazzi.
senior learner colleague in the GS community has already said, we have 2 ways. He has already shown the first 2 ways: interlock your hands and put it under the arm guard to lift it up. Now, the second way is that where you're going to lift it up, you lock in this direction where you're going to sit. You carry your other hand, you put here, then you squat like this. Then you now
Use your
back
leg
up
strength.
to push it.
Make sure the stand
And
is
the
out.
bike-
Check the stand.
the stand is there already.
Must
So
be out.
that's the
Don't
first
forget
way.
to put the stand up where you're doing it, so you don't end up tripping over the other side.
No, just bring your bike.
And end up in ice.
No, this is heavier, so he's thinking if he can do something heavier. It's GSA.
Or you can,
If I carry this to make I have.
or you can use a
If I carry a man,
Daddy, or you can use a forklift.
So
All right,
Get it fucking done.
guys, can we just
Put your nash in the chair. Put your nash. A bit down. Yeah, further down. Your nash further down.
Then push back.
Push yourself back.
Lift up.
your butt is not
Don't
down
jerk.
properly.
Lift. Don't jerk.
The shape of your butt.
Don't jerk. Lift.
No.
Try the other method. Try the other method.
Hold on.
You sit like this. You understand? You grab here.
Then you push back. You don't jerk. Don't jerk.
Push yourself back.
Then you start walking backwards. Yeah?
Yeah.
You start walking backwards. Okay?
Exactly.
As you're pushing it.
Wait, let's try
No, she says exactly. Come and lift it.
No, I saw the video.
So this more this way also.
This is the easiest way. Woman said to use this way.
So like that's for like
You never do this.
But you have to be strong.
Don't break the
this
hand.
is
Jesus
difficult.
Christ.
Do the other one.
All right.
Alright, good.
Oh, you know.
I beg, make I
My
bring
people
my bike.
from
I know the
where
right
you
GSA.
All the troop in the house.
I know the right GSA. I beg.
GP, we should put something here. This is dropping. That thing.
Don't ever try this with the right hand shaft, right hand drive. Only left hand.
And then you have full of energy.
Yes.
Mazi.
That's it. Keep coming, and let it drop.
Tip, I want to try with the other way.
I want to teach you the way to lift a GS with one hand.
Okay, Aisha.
And drop.
You can let it drop, it will bounce.
I shall with the box. Why you go lift her? Nonsense. Huh?
Aisha, don't throw your back out, please. I need you back on this trip, I beg. Eh?
Alright, let's go.
Good. You push back and you walk back. You walk back. Don't jerk.
FG go.
See, come out.
FG go.
You're not using your leg strength. You're not using your leg strength.
Your calf, your thigh.
Don't worry.
You can leave her. Tip, I want to try the other method.
Let's go.
I beg, who get forklift here? When I get forklift,
So the baron.
don't jerk. Push back.
Can come on the Kankajia. Come on the Kankajia. What number is it? Go back. Chair carry.
Go.
Chair only carry. Chair like carry the one. Just come on the guy.
Uche.
Me.
Strong man.
Lift them now.
I lift them now.
Room.com.
Ah.
Room.com. Room.com.
Why you carry glove? No gloves, though. What if your glove here? No glove.
Don't worry.
No gloves. This is cheating. It's cheating.
It's not cheating.
It's cheating.
It's not cheating.
You
When
think
you're
I
riding,
see
you're
without
supposed to
I
wear
beg,
your
join
No,
me,
what if you test?
Let's put this back down.
Easy, Puma. Easy.
Good.
See if you got my back. I want to do this method from my back.
One, have your bike or apply your brake.
Once he comes back.